In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Clickfunnel logo from your funnel pages. If you've ever built a funnel and noticed that little Powered by Clickfunnels badge at the bottom, and you'd rather keep your branding clean and focused on your own business, this is exactly what you need. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so you can quickly hide that logo and keep your pages looking professional. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. Next, find the funnel where you want to remove the badge. This might be your main sales funnel, a lead generation funnel, or any other project you're working on. Click on the name of that funnel to open its overview page. Take a second here to confirm you're editing the correct funnel, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you're inside that funnel, look for the small gear icon, which represents the funnel settings. It's usually located near the funnel name. Click on the gear icon to open the settings panel for the entire funnel, not just a single step or page. Inside the funnel settings, scroll through until you find the option that mentions the Powered by ClickFunnels badge. It may be labeled something like Hide Powered by ClickFunnels badge. This is the exact setting that controls whether that logo appears at the bottom of your pages. When you find it, you'll see a toggle or switch next to it. To hide the badge, change this setting to Yes. Often, when it's active, the toggle will turn blue or show that it's enabled. That means the ClickFunnels logo will no longer be visible on your live pages for this funnel. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the button that says Update Funnel and click it. This step is important because if you navigate away without updating, your changes won't be applied. Once it's updated, you can preview one of your funnel pages to confirm the badge is gone. And that's all there is to it. A quick change in your funnel settings to remove the ClickFunnel logo and keep your branding front and center.